Replacing your home's windows is a major investment that can improve energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. However, many homeowners in Scott make avoidable mistakes during the process that can lead to wasted money, poor results, and ongoing issues. Understanding these common pitfalls helps ensure your project runs smoothly and delivers lasting value. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong style or material for their home and climate. Scott's weather can bring both heat and humidity, so it's important to choose windows designed to handle these conditions. For instance, vinyl or fiberglass windows offer excellent insulation and moisture resistance, while wood windows, though beautiful, require more maintenance. Always consider your home's architectural style and the specific performance needs before deciding. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword. It directly impacts your comfort and utility bills. Some homeowners focus only on price or aesthetics, overlooking critical features like low E coatings, double or triple panes, and argon gas fills. These elements significantly improve insulation and reduce heat transfer. In Scott's climate, selecting Energy Star rated windows can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy costs year-round. Measuring incorrectly. Even a small error in measurement can lead to big problems later. If the window doesn't fit perfectly, gaps may allow drafts, leaks, and pest intrusion. Some homeowners try to measure themselves to save money, but professional installers have the tools and experience to take precise measurements. Investing in accurate sizing ensures a tight, efficient seal and a clean appearance once installed. Overlooking proper installation. Even the best windows can fail if installed incorrectly. Poor installation can lead to air leakage, water damage, and warping, all of which compromise performance and lifespan. Hiring certified installers with local experience in Scott ensures that windows are properly sealed, insulated, and aligned. Always check for references, certifications, and warranties before hiring any contractor. Focusing solely on price. It's natural to look for cost savings, but going for the cheapest option often leads to regret. Low-cost windows might lack quality materials or essential energy-efficient features, leading to higher utility bills and earlier replacements. Instead of focusing solely on upfront costs, consider long-term value, durability, warranty coverage, and maintenance savings. Quality windows can last decades with proper care. Neglecting permits and local codes. Another easily overlooked aspect is compliance with local building codes and permits. Some areas in Scott require specific approvals or inspections before and after window installation. Failing to obtain the right permits can result in fines, project delays, or issues when selling your home. Always verify with your contractor that all necessary permits are secured before work begins. Ignoring aesthetic compatibility. Windows play a major role in defining your home's appearance. Choosing styles or frame colors that clash with your home's design can negatively affect curb appeal. Take time to select window shapes, grid patterns, and finishes that enhance your home's existing architecture. This attention to detail makes your investment not only functional but visually appealing. Forgetting about maintenance. Every window type comes with maintenance needs. Aluminum and vinyl windows require minimal upkeep, while wood windows may need periodic painting or sealing. Many homeowners forget to ask about cleaning and care requirements, leading to deterioration or loss of efficiency over time. Always discuss maintenance expectations with your installer and schedule routine inspections to extend window life. Skipping warranty and service details. Before signing any contract, review the warranty terms carefully. Some warranties cover only the frame, while others include glass, hardware, or even labor. Understanding what's covered, and for how long, protects you from unexpected repair costs. Choose manufacturers and installers that stand behind their products with strong, transferable warranties. Conclusion: avoiding these common window replacement mistakes can make all the difference in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. By working with trusted professionals in Scott, selecting the right window type, and focusing on quality installation, you'll enjoy beautiful, durable windows that perform for years to come. Taking the time to plan properly ensures your investment enhances both your home's performance and its appeal.